get into the rear cockpit, Penelope. But first, we've got to get rid of Foster. Hold tight, TinTin.
Okay, Alan.
Hold tight, Brains. Okay, Penny. Push the stick over to the left. Okay. Keep us steady, Penny. I'm getting into the rear cockpit now.
I've only just realized Parker isn't with us. We must have left him aboard the airship.
It's too late now, Penny. Anyway, a few moments from now, we may be sharing the same fate. That's our engine gone, Penny. Hold tight. Hold tight, TinTin! I'm putting you down!
Okay, Alan.
Hold tight, Brains! Emergency landing!
Good luck, Alan.
I still say, Alan, that was a fantastic landing.
Well, if it hadn't been for Parker, we could have said we'd got away with it. Are you sure there was no chance of him surviving when Skyship One crashed?
Not a chance, Alan.
I suppose it must be shock. But a few moments ago, I'm sure I heard a distant voice calling, Milady.
That's funny. I thought I heard it too.
Milady!